Today, we're exploring how to measure the effectiveness of a recommender system using A/B testing for Netflix with Python code. Before we start coding, let's go over some fundamentals. First, let's talk about hypothesis testing. We need to perform hypothesis testing to compare the effectiveness of the two algorithms. In statistical hypothesis testing, we have two main hypotheses, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Let's briefly introduce what each of these is. The null hypothesis should include equality. On the other hand, the alternative hypothesis should include inequality. In our example today, we will establish the null hypothesis that algorithm A and algorithm B are equally effective in terms of their impact on the click-through rate for movie thumbnails. There are many hypothesis testing methods we can use. In our case, we have algorithm A and B, which means we are working with two samples. Let's assume we will show the thumbnails generated by these algorithms to 5,000 independent users for each algorithm. In this case, with a high quantity of users, and assuming normal distribution and equal variance between the two groups, we can use a parametric z-test to compare their effectiveness. We can build this null hypothesis using Python. Let's generate click-through rates for 5,000 independent users with a normal distribution and define them in variables. The generation parameters are as follows, you can see in the script. With these generated numbers, we can calculate the mean values of these defined variables and the p-value using a parametric z-test to compare the two groups. A box plot is one of the best ways to compare two groups, so I'm setting up the parameters for the visualization. Here is the box plot. As a conclusion, significance level p-value is calculated less than 0.05, which means H0 equality of algorithm A and B is rejected, and H1 alternative hypothesis inequality is accepted. Secondly, comparing to mean click-through rate for A and B, on average users are clicking slightly more often with algorithm B. Therefore, the final conclusion, B is better at recommending the content compared to A. If you like this video and want more content, please share, comment, and like it. Thanks.